Welcome friends to another Launchpad to Learning video. My name is Natalie and we are going to do some spooky Halloween science today. What you're going to need for this activity is just some white vinegar, some baking soda, a liquid measuring cup, a tablespoon, a funnel, a water bottle, and some balloons. You'll also want some safety goggles for this one, just in case of an explosion. So what we're going to do, I just have a regular old water bottle here that I have taken the label off of. Any water bottle will work. And what we're going to do is we are going to fill this water bottle with half a cup of white vinegar. So let's get our half cup here. All right, half a cup of white vinegar. Now, this activity has the potential to create an explosion. So you might want to do this activity outside or in your kitchen, somewhere where it might not matter so much if you get some vinegar everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that half cup of vinegar into my water bottle. You might already be able to guess the reaction that we're going to be creating today. All right, we've got our half cup of vinegar in the water bottle. Then I have some regular balloons. I have some orange for Halloween. I have some white that I drew some eyeballs and a mouth on to create a ghost. We're gonna make an expanding ghost here, all right? So with that balloon, we want to take a tablespoon of baking soda, and this is where the funnel comes in. If you insert that funnel into the balloon, that way we can easily get a tablespoon of baking soda into our balloon. There we go. Almost. All right. So this is where the slightly tricky part comes in. And actually, before I do this part, I'm going to put on my safety goggles just in case we get some extra explosion here that we don't expect. So this is the slightly tricky part. We have our baking soda inside the balloon, and we need to attach the balloon to the mouth of the water bottle without dumping the baking soda in. So do that here like this. I'm going to kind of stretch it and really get that over the top of the water bottle. And if you can, try to get that neck of the balloon really down onto the mouth of the water bottle. All right, and then this is where we might get an explosion. We'll see. What's gonna happen is we're gonna dump that baking soda into the water bottle, and a reaction is gonna happen between that baking soda and vinegar. And what's gonna happen is our balloon is gonna inflate all by itself. All right, so let's give it a try. Dump in all at once. There it goes. You might want to stabilize the balloon just at first to prevent it from filling up with vinegar, but then it should stand up all on its own. Look at that. We've got our spooky ghost there, and the reaction does happen pretty quickly between that base of baking soda and acid of vinegar. You notice that it quickly filled up the bottle, and what happened was those two materials together created a carbon dioxide gas, which then blew up our balloon. And there you have it, a spooky Halloween expanding ghost. Have fun, friends. See you next time.